Face plant. So, I could watch it again. Slight thunderstorms finally hit for the first bit finally. Here are false reports and thunderstorms coming here by Thursday. Today. Oh jeez. Didn't believe what I saw. Before the camera. It was a huge bright fucking flash. Swear to God, it looked like a nuke just struck. Not really. It was bright as fuck though. I should probably be outside, but it's warm. It's right. The clouds right over us, which is dangerous. There's a car, a fence. I'm on a bike. Lighthouse. Van. Orange, bright ass orange house, which guaranteed you can see from a mile away. No, you can see a house from a mile away, probably. You're lost. Go out of the house. Wait for a helicopter. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. But still, you think you should see a house in space. Probably. Who cares? There's a light up in the hills. There's a blue sky over there. Well, would be if it's not out. Yeah, I should probably get going now. We're shifting gears. I'm at a school right now. I have my phone out here too, so it's all in steel. Can't see nothing too. As you can see, there's only a few lights. The lighting's all around us. In that prior direction, kiss my hand. But I got my phone. In that direction with my phone. My phone is that. What's those trees? Here's what my light is right is. Lightning's also in that direction towards the school over there. So I'm here. I'm here right now. And one day it's gonna get a on under some covers, okay, it's safer for me. What's stupid storm chasers. Just dumbass. This is dumbass outside with corn thunderstorms. But no, I'm fucking serious. I'm being a dumbass. Should be outside. Even out here. That's a perfect cover. It's pretty active now. Tropical storm. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna cut out the iPod camera, get the cell phone camera out, which can zoom. These are actually high atmospheric clouds, so this is going to give us some activity. So, what did you see? You getting this? Dude, I'm getting this shit, man. I need to hang up because I need to get the fucking camera out. This freaking iPod camera sucks. See you, bye. Okay. I gotta go.